SEAMS. I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window, and I am so thankful and so excited that you decide to quilt along with us and make a beautiful quilt called Tahoe. Are you happy with your results? I hope so. Your diamonds are probably beautiful right now. We're gonna be working today on another diamond, and this is diamond number 11. Can you imagine 11 diamonds already under our belt? This one is going to be just a special addition to all those diamonds. Let me show you what we're going to do. We're going to need strip sets. We're going to need set 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Set 2 is made from a strip panel. We did 3 strips and then we cut those units from that panel. Now please remember, you can refer to our first video for basic information how to sew strips together to a panel and then cut it. And also in your pattern, every single day you're getting a recipe. Under every diamond you have the recipe for all your strips. Now this is going to be so fun and easy, and maybe it looks a little bit familiar because we did this diamond once before, just a mirror image of it. Now notice it. I'm going to be taking those beautiful 3 pieces and sewing them together. Just spin and sew. None of the seams have to match, except just make sure that when you're lining your pieces right here, you offset just tiny bit and tiny bit here to have a good 1/4 inch seam allowance. Remember to pin, stitch using your beautiful orifil thread. You can do the lighter one or the little bit darker one. This one is 2312. This one is 2370. Both threads are wonderful. You're going to be stitching. Then as soon as you finish stitching, you're going to open the seams and you're going to add this set on the top. Then open the seam and you're going to go ahead add this as a last little strip on this side. Let me show you my finished diamond. Isn't it beautiful? Let me flip it in the back. Notice it. All of the seams are open. I could have done a little bit more housekeeping and trim some of those bunny ears. I'm definitely gonna go back and do that with scissors. When you do it, making your units, it's nice to do it right away, but I missed it. Look at this, a time to improve and time to learn something new. I think all of us could use a little bit of that, including me. Every time I'm making a new unit or new block or new diamond, I can assure you I'm learning new things and improving on my quilting skills, and that's all that I hope for you, to be the best you can be in quilting. Here it is a diamond number 11, and I look forward to making diamond number 12 next time with you. Please remember, if you are just joining us, you can go ahead to the first blog and start on all the blogs, and you can join us anytime you want it. This is a free event and we are so thankful so many of you have responded to it. If you would like to, you can use your own fabric, or you can visit our website for beautiful kits and patterns. All the information, cutting and measurements are in the patterns, and we have 3 different color options for you. A lot of different informations are also provided on our blog, so don't forget to visit that. And if you posting pictures, hashtag the picture with Tahoe Quilt Along, and that way I can see it and put your name in a drawing for beautiful backing for your quilt. Happy quilting, and I hope to do another diamond with you tomorrow.